Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. So last week, my video, I talked about a floating axle, how it works and how to set it up. Now, this week I'm going to show you guys why that's important, and if you do it wrong, what'll happen to the forks. So first off, what I have here is I have it set up. So I'm about to tighten this 17 millimeter right here. These are loose. And I have these tight, but I don't have the axle sitting in all the way. You can see that little air gap right there. That should be all the way against it when it's done. So what these tight right here, I'm gonna tighten the 17, and I'm gonna show you what happens to the fork, all right? So let's keep an eye on the fork right here as I tighten it. All right, so see that gap right there? I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the 17 millimeter. I wanna see what happens. So I'm tightening the nut on the other side, all right? Pulling it in and closing it. All right, but if we do it like this, we're putting side tension on that fork tube. Now the gap is closed like it should be, but this fork leg right now is getting stressed inward, and I'll show you why that's important. Let me release it, and I'll show you what happens to this fork leg, okay? Boom, all right? You see how that came out? Now the leg is relaxed again. That's where it has to sit, so let me show you why. All right, so inside of these fork tubes, there's bushings. There's one bushing that sits right here in the outer. The material is on the inside, because the other one goes on the stanchion tube, which is right here. All right, it looks like this one right here, and it has friction material on the outside right there. You see that? And it moves up and down. And it moves up and down this leg as your suspension moves up and down. So as your suspension is moving, these two bushings are holding the lower stanchion tube solid on the inside. All right, so if they weren't there, you'd feel play inside of your fork, you'd get bad suspension movement, and you'd also put pressure on your seals because they'd be constantly getting pushed to the sides. So the seals are holding all your oil and everything inside of there. So if we have side pressure, all right, pushing that leg in, these two bushings that are here, as they slide up and down, and we have that side tension, they're gonna bind up. And they're not only gonna bind up and make your suspension not work properly, but they're gonna put side wear on those bushings. So you'll have side wear in the bushings, you'll have not a smooth feel of your suspension, and you're also gonna be putting side pressure on your seals, so your seals are gonna leak. So if you have a constantly leaking seal and you didn't tighten these correctly, that could be your issue. So these seals right here, they're spring. All right, this is the dust part right here. This is just protects your dust and dirt. And the inside of that, behind here, is where the actual seal is. So if that seal has side pressure all the time, the outside part of that seal is not gonna have as much pressure as it needs, and fluid's gonna leak past there. All right, and if you have a fork leg that's pulled all the way in and stressed inward, you now have legs that are basically like this. So as you go up and down in suspension, they're gonna get tight and bound up. So you wanna make sure that you set all this properly here. All right, and like I said in the other video, the correct way to do that is to push your axle all the way in. All right, these have another nut here so you can hold it as you tighten it, but you wanna push the axle all the way in, tighten your 17 here to the correct torque spec, tighten this side here, and then take your leg with this one loose, right, like it is now, loose. You want to take the wheel, spin it a bunch of times as the wheel's in the air, hit the brake, let that leg settle in where it needs to be, right, because it floats on this, remember? So it moves, moving, right? You want it to be right where it should be, then tighten this, and then your legs are even all the way up. Your smooth suspension is going to work like it should, and your bushings are not going to get worn on the sides, and your seals won't leak due to that. Okay, so anyway guys, hopefully that helps explain how this all works and what it can do if you don't set it properly. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time guys, go out and ride. Tepcocyclerepair.